We're on such a high level with it already. All of them were so about it. They loved the movie. And the first one was so good. We're like, there's about to be shit. Who I am. So
95. 95.
95.
Oh my God!
I'm Anne McClain, and I play Uma, the daughter of the I don't know, but I do remember her laying it like over and then cutting it. That was my part. That made me want.
Sophia didn't really win. She won.
The Anne McClain from Descendants 2.
No!
What?
Yes!
Thank you.
I knew it wasn't me. I just thought it was going to be
rotten to the core. You're
Okay, I'm sorry. God.